rallied around him, he's put his head down and continued to innovate with more great products. One of Mike's latest incredible deals is his Giza Dream Sheets. He's been out for a while, and they are the best. Made from the world's best and softest cotton, Giza cotton. Tanya and I love these sheets. We're sleeping on them every night, and right now the Giza Dream Sheets are back at their lowest price ever. The sheets are now coming in as low as $29.99 with the promo code BECK. My Pillow products come with a 10-year warranty, and now for the holiday season, they're extending their 60-day money-back guarantee. Orders placed between now and December 25th, you can have your money-back guarantee extended until March 1st, 2023. Just go to mypillow.com and click on the radio listener special square. Check out the flash sale on the Giza Dream Sheets along with other limited time offers. Enter the promo code BECK or call 800-966-3117 for all the great radio specials.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you can feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services, starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
It's all over but the voting. Lisa Brady, Fox News. The culmination of a months-long battle for control of Congress, with many voters bringing issues to the polls.
Crime is a big one, and the southern border, I don't know what's going on with that. That's crazy.
He's in Pennsylvania, home to one of the toss-up Senate races, pitting Lieutenant Governor John Fetterman against Republican Dr. Mehmet Oz. Pennsylvania election officials have already been asking for patience with vote counting, but now say it can take even longer to get results because of a process reinstated today in Philadelphia.
That's where the Elections Board voted to put poll book reconciliation back into place in an effort to catch possible double votes from being counted. Here's what that means, according to reporting from the Philadelphia Inquirer. The procedure flags mail-in ballots submitted by voters who voted in person.
Fox's Tanya J. Powers, that's a reversal from a decision made last week. More than 1,000 voters who were never mailed absentee ballots in Georgia now have until 7 p.m. today to get a ballot postmarked as the ACLU wins a legal fight in Cobb County. Wisconsin, another closely watched state.
Wisconsin's incumbent Senator Republican Ron Johnson cast his ballot in Oshkosh this morning, encouraging people to get out and vote.
Obviously, like to win by a wide margin. Not for partisan purposes, but literally so that it'll send a very strong signal to our Democratic colleagues that their policies aren't working.
Johnson fighting for a third term in the U.S. Senate against Democratic challenger Mandela Barnes, who says after a hard-fought campaign that nothing was left on the table.
We can do it once again. We have to do it once again for the sake of us all.
As we await a decision in a razor-thin race here in Wisconsin that could tip the balance of power in Washington.
Fox's Jeff Manasso. Barnes is the current lieutenant governor in Wisconsin, where the governor's race is also tight. America is listening to Fox News.
Hi, I'm Lisa Booth for Bishop Gold Group. Federal Reserve recent announcements is putting the country on course for a deep recession. That means wild swings in the markets and high inflation will continue to put your retirement savings at risk. Protect the money you worked so hard to save for retirement by investing in gold. Let Bishop Gold Group show you how tangible gold investments can help secure your future. Dial pound 250 from a mobile phone and say the keyword Bishop Gold, or visit bishopgoldgroup.com.
Smith & Wesson is committed to empowering Americans, no matter what. With inflation hitting everywhere, we've decided to make a change. Now, you can buy a Smith & Wesson Shield Plus, our most popular concealed carry firearm, at an all-new low price, $100 off MSRP. We're absorbing the costs, passing along the savings to you, so you don't have to compromise on personal security. Visit smithandwesson.com to find a Shield Plus near you. Smith & Wesson, always expect the best.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you can feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Sip your way into the holiday spirit with Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. Sweet creamy whip, chocolatey swirl, a dash of peppermint, steamed milk, and espresso. It's a little gift to give yourself. Find your cheer on the Starbucks app today.
Dancing crew, trip for 2, nailed the final interview. Game with Doug, brand new mug. Come here, kid, give me a hug. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. Boosters designed for COVID-19 variants are now available. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster appointment as soon as you're eligible. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
How does a 65-inch Vizio 4K Smart TV with award-winning quantum color sound? Pretty good, right? Now you can get one for just $429. That's a $110 discount at Sam's Club. The Vizio M-Series Smart TV displays over 1 billion colors and Dolby Vision HDR to create a true-to-life picture. With Vizio's huge selection of built-in apps, you can even listen to your favorite music with iHeartRadio right on your TV. This Sam's Club exclusive runs from November 5th to the 9th, so head to samsclub.com today.
Ready for some good news? The White House has announced a major student loan debt relief plan. This is great news if you have a federal student loan. We also urge anyone with a student loan to get ready. The COVID payment pause for student loans will end on December 31st. We're the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation, the government watchdog for Californians with student loans. You may qualify for relief. Check your eligibility now. Go to dfpi.ca.gov/back-on-track and see why so many people are celebrating.
This is Jacob Emrani. If you've been in an accident, call 844-24-JACOB. Clay Travis, Buck Sexton Show. Election Day is here. If you have been waiting 2 years to finally be able to allow your voice to be heard, you need to make sure that you get out and vote, that you take people with you, many of whom may never have voted before. We do not want to win narrowly. We don't want the shenanigans to be in play. We want a red tsunami, a landslide the likes of which has not been seen in the 21st century in this country. We want tears streaming down the cheeks of MSNBC and CNN viewers and hosts and analysts. And we want, there's Buck popping he's already got a beer out.
Getting ready for it, baby. The party starts early.
We are in Nashville. We are having a party tonight. You'll be able to watch some video feed of Buck and myself from our party if you are a Clay and Buck VIP subscriber. But Buck, this morning, 7 a.m., I hopped out of bed. I could not have been more excited. Went straight to my local polling station, which opened at 7 a.m., and stood in line for 40 minutes to cast my ballot. Now, Tennessee is not a state where there are a lot of statewide races at play, and yet I live in a Republican county in a Republican state, and it was swarmed this morning. I think that there are many of you out there who feel the same way as I did this morning, that you were just so eager to go and cast a ballot, even if there weren't major election issues